In this module, I will cover the issue of research limitations and future research. They are both very important elements of every quality research project. It is customary for every researcher who publishes his or her research results to explain what are the research limitations and what are the possible opportunities for further studies. So do not worry. It is almost impossible to come across a piece of research which is waterproof or 100% flawless, although some people from outside of the scientific world may think differently. Even the most prominent and greatest researchers make errors. Yes, that's true, to err is human. So one of the challenges ahead of a researcher is to be able to present and explain the weaknesses of his or her research findings. The main purpose of the research limitations section in every piece of research is to demonstrate that the research findings are not applicable under all circumstances. They may also be considered as a warning not to bluntly accept them. Many myths and even fake news in popular science may be attributed to the fact that those who disseminated the research results were not careful enough to explain the research limitations, or maybe because the authors did not devote enough time to present the research limitations to the readers. Therefore, it is not a stain on your honor if you honestly write at the end of your research about its limitations. Some researchers may think that revealing the potential weaknesses of their work may undermine their reputation as researchers. Just the opposite. All professional journals expect from the authors that findings are accompanied with some indications of the problems which had not been properly tackled in the research findings. So once again, do not be afraid of analyzing the weaknesses of your study. Actually, a well-written section on research limitation in a research paper increases its value. At the beginning of my talk, I also highlighted the concept of future research. As we all know, science constantly develops. So it is the duty of every researcher to propose or suggest to other researchers some possibilities and opportunities for further studies. So we recommend to add the future research section in every research study published by teacher researchers. In sum, future research is a kind of a signpost to other researchers indicating how the others could explore the research results and use them as a building blocks for further studies.